It's your birthday. Open your door. Yep, open your door. Hurry, open your door. Surprise! Happy birthday, buddy. You like your balloons? Huh?
How you do?
Mommy and Daddy are.
Do that?
We're good. You like it?
Let's get all these balloons. Let's go. Look at all these. Look at all these balloons.
Yeah.
Look, Mommy, a silly one.
How old are you today?
Squeaky.
Yeah, how old are you now? Do you know?
2,
No. How old are you now? Today's your birthday. How old are you?
3.
Good job.
I'm not a baby anymore.
No, you're not a baby no more. You're a big boy.
It's my ring squeaky.
Yeah.
You want to take a picture of my pink balloon? Squeaky.
Uh-huh.